Hey guys, welcome to another review video on Solutionsroom. I've put a quick video together for people looking to purchase from Desio. For the ones that don't know what Desio is a popular Italian contact lenses company, well known all over social media and amongst beauty influencers and gurus like the Plastic Boy, Brittany Barragan, Patrick Star, and many more. Let's get straight into this. So I placed my order, my package came through in 4 days. The outer packaging was pretty secure and intact. One thing I like to say is that this product was purchased, you guys, and this is not an endorsement or an ad. My review will be nothing but 100% genuine for you guys. As you can see, Desio really does well when it comes to the packaging, making sure the product is safe and secure before it reaches the customer. So here's an envelope, and I got a card showing that Desio is funding towards an eye infection called trachoma all around the world. So well done to Desio for contributing towards a great cause. Here we have a shade guide showing Desio lenses from their Attitude collection. They do the monthly lenses in 1 tone, quarterly lenses in 2 tones, and quarterly lenses in 3 tones. I've ordered from their quarterly 3 tones in the shade Tender Hazel. Here's a little close-up. And here we have a thank you card. Well, best get one for spending so much on a quarterly lenses set. Time to open up this baby. That shine is the best thing before you get to see the actual lenses. I absolutely love the packaging. Let me just show you guys the shade I got once again. It's the Tender Hazel. It also comes with a lens case. Good quality, guys, good quality. Once you open it, you'll get your contact lenses, another shade guide, and some instructions and info on the lenses. Desio also makes powered lenses and for astigmatism eyes, so anyone can purchase from them really. My eyes are perfectly fine, touch wood, so I'm using the plain zero power lenses. Really excited to try these on you guys. I'm going to open these and pop them in. And there we have it, guys. Look at that. This is the most stunning shade I've ever seen. I love brown hazel eyes, but Desio really went in hard with this shade. I love it. This shade is perfect for warm to dark skin. I'm Asian and I have dark brown to black eyes, so this really goes well with my actual skin tone. I'm so happy spending £53 on these. Totally in love, and most importantly, I don't feel a thing on my eyes. They're so comfortable. So I've put both the lenses in now, and this is how they look with studio lights. This is indoors with natural lighting, and this is outdoor. That's all for today, guys. Tell me in the comments below if you've ever tried Desio, or your favorite lenses from Desio, or if you recommend any other brand. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Bye for now.